Hey, Dr. Whitley. What is your dream animal to work on?
I want to work on an elephant. I think it'd be awesome. I've worked on giraffes, and they're really cool, but I don't know. Because an elephant is so big, I think it'd be awesome to be able to work on them.
What'd you just pull out of your ears?
So I wear hearing protection because the dogs can sometimes scream. So I work on a lot of dogs that are already injured. So whenever I'm pushing on spots that hurt, they get angry and they might yelp, or sometimes it is painful. And too often, especially in our room, I have dogs scream in my ear, so this just helps.
Do you think you'll have to wear those with an elephant?
I hope not. That would suck. No. These things are phenomenal. They're called sport ears. But yeah, no, I'm definitely hoping not.